Hey everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama, Christina here, inside another fantastic Champion home. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 16 by 76. I wanted to show off this home because it has the coolest package here. We've got a rustic package. I'm sure you can tell right from the gate, those wood beams on the ceiling, which give it the awesome country look if you're looking for that. Also, you can see the hardware here going towards the master bedroom. That's going to have a sliding barn door. Check out above the range. 2 more sliding barn doors are going to go there, hiding a very generously large spice rack. And boy, this island, this is a monster baby, isn't it? Whoa. The largest island we make. We've added a stainless steel farm sink in this island, 9 inches deep, with a gooseneck faucet. We did linoleum in the kitchen and the living room in this home. We have a vinyl over gypsum, Casper cashmere wall, and what that means is that's 3/8 drywall product behind the wallpaper. Kitchen has a pantry. That's a bonus. Here's the utility hallway. A lot of times in a single wide, you'll see the utility room in a wide open setting, but this is nice. You have your exterior door going outside coming, and then when you come in, you're coming into the utility room with another separate door if you choose. That is an optional door there. When you come into the hallway, take a right to your kitchen or take a left back to your sanctuary in the master bedroom. Lots of closet space in this home, guys. When I turn around here, you're going to see the master bedroom closet hiding behind the doors. I don't want to remove the rubber bands. This home is ready to ship out. We did perimeter heat. If you notice, the heat registers are up along the wall. In a standard application, it's inline sectional heating, so you would find the register straight down the middle of the home. But this customer has opted to move them out by the wall, giving it the perimeter heat option. Master bedroom, we did a 30 by 36 window that does open and lets a fresh breeze in while you're using the restroom. We've got the standard 60-inch tub shower combination. We also got plenty of room here to do a walk-in shower if you want it. Here we go with some more closet space back here. A nice linen closet to store your sheets, towels, pillowcases, or whatever you want to store in there. More clothes. If you're like me, you have tons of clothes. All right. Headed back to the other end of the house. Man, check out those wood beams. That is really classy. We've got Xavier here. He's also a housing consultant for us. Say hi.
Hey.
Hey. We got lots of talented people around here. Large windows here, guys. 46 by 61 in the living room. Opposite is a 30 by 61. We can enlarge that. We can do some sliders. You know how it goes around here. We can do pretty much what you're looking for, as long as structurally we can make it fit. Going down the hallway, coming up on bedrooms 2 and 3. Furnace here. Standard electric appliances. If you want to go with a gas furnace or a gas range or a gas water heater, we can sure do it. It's just a little bit of an upcharge. Bath 2, or the hall bath we call it. Very standard bathroom. We've got a 24-inch vanity with the tub shower combination. We've added an over-the-commode linen cabinet there. We can also do medicine cabinets and some different lighting in here. Bedroom 3. 2 by 6 walls on the exterior side walls. R19 insulation in those walls. R28 blown-in insulation in the roof. R11 insulation in the floor. 2 by 6 floor joists, and we are 16 on center, guys. Please, if you have any questions, leave me a comment below. You'll see my phone number below as well. Come take a factory tour. I'll provide you with a free overnight stay. Thanks. Have a good one. It's the Mobile Home Mama signing off.